working on some control flow. And for that, we'll want to open up the text editor. You just go to File, Open New File, and you have this text editor window. And I'm going to tile that to the right, tile this one to the left, and then comment at the top, control flow. We'll talk about functions, if statements, while loops, and for loops. So to start, we'll do a little function, and a function starts by defining it, and we're going to find this one as f of x. And, almost forgot the colon at the end. Otherwise, Python doesn't know that it's gonna continue after that line, and you can tell that Python knows that it's going to be a function or that you're going to continue this function by the automatic indentation here. And we'll just say function that computes and returns for x times x. So then this function is going to return x times x. So when you put x into any number into this function, it'll multiply it by itself. And then let's see, we'll just do this. And then this is going to be an example of putting the function in a inside of the print function. So the function that we just made, we'll put inside of here by saying 4 times 4 is equal to %s. Close that, and percent f and then we'll finish it off by So now we got a little chunk of code in our text editor, and if we go up to the menu bar again and press the run, and then click run module, you can also press F5, and we'll just run that, and it should, it wants it to save it, okay. And I'll just call this PyControl flow. And now it should run. So in the shell, the interpreter, it says that it's grabbed that file and ran it, and you can see here that did everything we wanted it to. 4 times 4 is 16, so that's great.